Morning everyone, welcome back to another mission. Just put the boat in the water. I've just parked the ute and heading out on a soft bait session with my mate Stacey this morning. Wind's really low at the moment, but it's supposed to get up to about 10 knots, so we'll probably head up the coast and shelter, flick some soft baits around and get into it. Just before I head out, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that's been watching the videos, everyone that's commenting and everything. Jane and I really appreciate it. It's awesome. As you guys know, we've got Ocean Nation merch online, so if you're liking the gear that we're wearing in the vids, head over to Ocean Nation Co and pick yourself up either a hoodie or a t-shirt or something like that. That'd be awesome. Rep the kit and would be most appreciative of that. It's early, man, it's early. But anyway, we'll get out of here, we'll get on the boat, we'll get out there. It's still dark. We're going to try to get out to where we want to soft bait just for first light. So let's get into it. Oh, bro.
You're on straight away. Yeah. I didn't even know you had a rod in the water.
No, I just saw that sign and I'll put one out of prospect.
Not bad fish either.
First drop. Prospecting on. What do you like? Do you want some fish?
Nah, I've got some in the actually I might take a few, I'll give a few to the camera.
Yeah. Pretty good. I've got some in the fridge. I literally cast that out, put the sea anchor out, picked it up. I was like, oh, it's a nice fish. Look, it is a nice fish. Shit, yeah. Straight away, that's a beauty. Loaded down there. They're in such good condition at the moment, eh?
Yeah, bro. So
they're pissing around. First bait. On the coconut ice. On the bid for you. Oh, he wasn't getting off.
down to it.
Yeah, I just kind of wound it a bit of slack and felt something. There's a heap of sign coming down. Oh! Oh! Fuck!
If that's that leader, man, I'll be fucked off.
Oh!
That's
double hookies!
Fuck it. What's that leader, I reckon?
Donskis?
Nice fish too, boy.
Oh, look at the colour on the bro. Was it your leader?
Yeah.
The nice one.
That's a beauty.
I've got some. Where is it? Right there, bro. If you want some, or that's 40. What are you doing? 40 or 20?
Just 20.
This
What,
is
you
tough.
doing 40?
Nah, I just had some 40 there. That is 20-pound tough, if you want, rather than the supple. Anyway. Yeah, bro. It's on the drop again.
Was it?
Yeah. It's a better fish. Crazy, but a little bit drag. Yeah, kind of like mid-water, I reckon. You're 15 metres, I'd say it's mid-water. They fight well at this time of year too, eh?
What's that?
Good. They just fight really well at this time of year.
Yeah.
They're all well conditioned. Another good fit. On the coconut ice. Ew. Send this guy back. Okay.
Come on. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. That was right down the bottom, this one. He's doing the right boy. Yeah, it's not giving me a wind. Here we go. Ooh. A bit of one. Making noises. Oh, I just tightened the drag too. He's not screaming, but he's making noises. Yeah, that's what we want. I love the sound of this little reel too. It's got a good front foot. Oh, he's not giving up, man. Yeah, bro. Yes. Oh, both got issues, bro. Yes. Oh, that's a goodie too, bro. Nothing like your one. Oh, this guy's not giving up. Not the like the line blister is, but just a good scrap. Here he comes. Do we need the net? I think I shall. Mine's not that big, bro, so I'm not too worried. Oh, you're right. Yes. Oh, it's not huge, but it's a nice fish. It's a nice scrapper. Yeah. Fuck yeah, pretty good scrap. Maybe. Nice fish, good fish. That's what I mean, like, good scrap for the size of it. Probably like a 6 pound fish. Nice fish, bro. Great fish. Good, healthy neck. The little one can go back. Yeah, put this one back. I'll get a mix with this one actually. Alright, let's get this guy back in the drink. Get another one. Go on. Yes, double hook up. I was actually, it was like touching and I was like, is this good rocks? Not a bad little fish either. Oh, can't complain when prospecting, eh? It's a good result. Yeah, bloody good result. This is not bad. It's scrapping well. Taking a bit of string, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, right on this big drop off here, bro. Oh, he's another mean coloured fish, bro. Oh, he's a beauty. Yeah. Nice fish. Just a nice little couple of pennies. Yeah. Double hook up while prospecting on the coconut ice. Go back. 3/8 jig head. That's a nice healthy snap. Yeah, there was a big drop off there, bro. They must have just been hanging on that. We're getting back in the drink. Mate. It's a bit of one. Some similar, I think. I'm too busy bloody looking under the boat for kinners.
What were you looking for?
I was just having a look at the bottom. It's that clear. You can see the big guts and kinners on the rocks. This is what we want. This is kind of what I was expecting through here. Darky?
Yeah.
The terrain's crazy now. Dropping off now. I wouldn't fall off the boat soon, I reckon. Keep looking over there. 27 metres. Bloody good viz. Decent. Just trying to pull some throttle inside drag. Doing the right things. It's pissing around with it though.
Yeah, that's all I know.
It's getting stuck in.
Hello.
Yeah. So okay, snap. Nothing crazy, but right things.
Showing a bit of weight on the end of it.
Yeah, yeah. They just fight well at this time of year. It'll be decent.
So would you if you're quite happy with something.
I'd be running, that's for sure.
You want a meter?
Nah, I don't think it's a netter. Oh! I just think it's a hard fight. It feels like it's got a little bit of weight. It's coming. Oh, it's decent. What is it then? What is it then? If you want them, I've got fish in the fridge. I'm good. You want another eater? Yeah, I like fish, mate. Oh, it's kinda, eh?
Yeah, that is.
Alright. Nice stinky snap. There's shit and kinner everywhere. Just hit that. We're in about 9 metres. So nice. Another healthy fish. We'll get a good release on him. Yeah, Shh. Covered in your own shit, mate. Keep yourself.
Well, you released or something.
Ah, now you're right. Get up. Oh, yes, boy. That was like the gradual take, eh?
Yeah, I don't know what that was about. I don't even know what it was.
Oh.
First bit of string of head today.
Yeah, that's what we're after, the string pullers. That's what we're after. Yeah, it was just a gradual load up, eh?
That was weird. Wasn't a smash.
Nah. Oh, you're kidding.
That's my braid. I'm just great.
Throw it out. You've got nothing, eh? It has. It's broken at you or not? Is that exactly what happened the other day? It's exactly what we were talking about last night.
Yeah, fully. Because the knot's still there.
Yeah, what the? Wore through on that loop.
Ooh, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro.
This is what we're after.
Yeah, handy.
Yes, boy, this is the one. Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
bro. Yeah.
Whoa.
This is the one, bro.
Yeah, shit, yeah.
Oh.
Making me feel real bad about losing mine now.
Oh. You know what? I just put the rod in the rod holder to change that GoPro battery over, and I could see the tip of it just going, just little bloody tickles. It's getting wide. Away from the
Yeah,
cliff,
but
which
it's
makes it a hard fight, but it's
big
good.
enough.
He's coming up though. Yeah, it's got some boogie.
That first bit of weight when your tip was in the water.
Yeah. Well, he was wide, and then you like came back in under the boat. I'm not getting wide. It's coming up.
Hey?
It's not getting up.
No, tell me when you want the...
It's coming up wide. Yeah, he's still quite far out. We're on here. Not massive, but it's more what
Probably
we
the
were
best
after.
of the day.
Oh yeah, for sure. Coming out wide. Pumping away there though. He's going in all directions. The boat's turning, that's what you want. Boat turning. Oh, here he is, that fella. Oh yeah, bro, get the net. Get the net. Oh. Oh yes. Booey. Yes, boy. Oh. How good. Yes. Oh. Yeah, mate. That's the one. Oh, nice fish. Cheers,
That's what we
bro.
came for.
Oh, that's what we came for. That's the one.
Look at the mark on his nose.
That's his nostril. Yeah. Double nostrils, eh? The big dog. He's not too big, but it's a fucking nice fish. Went hard. Get that one up for the camera. Good. Yeah. Can't leave that up, bro.
Leave it in.
Wow, we didn't. Oh, you on? We didn't get the hit because I was literally had the rod in the rod holder, and I was changing the battery actually, and then I saw the tip of my rod just doing a few little dances, so I picked it up and he hit. It's a nice fish. Nothing crazy, but he's actually. I thought he was. Yeah, it was a good fight for the size of him. They're just a good nick at the moment, so we'll get the soft bait out and get him back in the drink. Put him in the net so he's good. Oh, nice. ya. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Viral worker. You double stuff today. Nice one, bro. Get your bail up, off, and we'll come over and we'll get mine as well. That's a good fish, bro. Doing the net, yeah. One's nothing special, but I think you won that one. That's a goodie, bro. Let's run that. Yeah, bro, nice fish, nice fish. Look at this one back in the drink. It's funny because we were just talking about that they must be picking up some better fish as they come across the reef. That went from a slow morning to a bit of a hell session. Just putting back in the harbour now. Got a bit shitty out there, so we decided to call it a day, but plenty of good fish on the board and let a shitload go. Kept a couple of pannies, a couple of carwine, blue cod. Epic. That all, bro. Got a bit slow, but worked through some patches. Got that good snap. That's fishing. Alright, cheers guys, thanks for watching, see you on the next one.